Hey, crypto family. Hope y'all been doing good. So today we're going to go over some Bitcoin analysis for November 17th, 2019. So I'm still tentatively bullish, but could very easily turn bearish if key indicators don't hold on the short-term time frame. So first, let's look at the longer time frames on the daily. Now, again, we still have a sell indication on the whales buy sell indicator, but the light blue wave is starting to possibly curve to the upside on market Cipher B. And then the Wolfpack ID is possibly curving up a little bit as well. So again, could see some possible bullish action on the daily, but still overall, we still are trending bearish. Now, looking further here, you can see on the 4-hour, we did get a buy signal on the whales buy sell indicator. So this was yesterday, a little over 24 hours ago. Now, you can see here that about 8 hours ago, the Wolfpack ID did cross over to the green side. So that is very, very positive for bullish momentum, as well as the VWAP is continuing to hold above the zero line. But you can see the money flow is still in the red. So again, that needs to cross over to really have that bullish trend change. But again, you can see here that the waves is curving up and looking to cross over that zero line. Now, next, we're going to go ahead and look at the 2-hour. So this is something I actually drew yesterday. I did not publish a video on it, but I basically showed these anchor waves on market Cipher B. And you can see here, anchor wave is basically when you get a deep blue wave and then followed by a smaller blue wave. And generally do have green dots here, which does preclude positive momentum. So here, again, I drew that here, and exactly I drew this arrow. I've not moved these arrows at all, and you can see here that we actually got positive momentum. Now I'll go ahead and turn on the whales buy sell indicator, and you can see here that a buy did flash right there. So you can see that the 2-hour is still bullish. Okay, this blue wave is still trending to the upside. This Wolfpack ID did level out, but it is still above the zero line. So again, looking at some green volume candles as well. So we need to hold these levels if we want to maintain that bullish bias. Now, on the 1-hour, another bullish indication was this 7-day. It crossed above the 77-day moving average, which is yellow. And you can see right now it's holding above it. Now, you can see right now that price is very close to that 77-day level. So we need to hold above it. And that level is at 85.18. So we need to hold above it. Right now we're at 85.31. So the 7-day needs to maintain above it to maintain that bullish bias. And then going to the 1-hour here for the 50-day moving average in blue, you have the 21-day in red, the 128-day in orange, and then the 200-day in purple. So you can see the 21-day crossed over the 50-day about 8 hours ago again, which is bullish, and it's still trending upward, which is good. Now, the RSI is a little overbought, but again, not that much. It's at 54, so really still some room to the upside. But again, this 200-day needs to maintain above this 50-day, and these levels are 85.14 for the 21-day moving average, and then 84.89 for the 50-day moving average. So we need to maintain above that 84.89 level here on the hourly. And then your resistance levels, you can see I drew 86.50, and you can see here that this green candle went to a high of 86.37. So again, very close to that 86.30 level. And I mean, that played out perfectly for that resistance. So again, we need to get above this level to continue to the upside. Next, we're going to go ahead and look at the hourly for the whales buy sell. You can see it did flash a sell indication because previously here when it gave a buy, it went up to a high of 85.87. Then again, it retraced and it gave this sell indication at around 85.18. But again, we do still have green candles for Heikin-Ashi, but we did get a red dot here on the market Cipher B, indicating possibly, sell side pressure coming in. But the money flow is still in the green. So if we can maintain the green, then positive bullish momentum will continue to occur. But we need to look at this Wolfpack ID here. It is possibly crossing to the downside. So again, I mentioned we're at pivotal levels right now. Around that 85.20 level is what we're going to be looking at. And again, that's going to determine if we can hold that on the hourly, then that will determine if we can continue to the upside. And then here on the hourly, I drew again a bearish divergence that I had. And you can see here, basically, these blue waves are continuing to the upside while the price continued to the downside. And from there, you can see that we had a sideways movement and we continue to the upside from there. So the only thing that does worry me is we do have a blue triangle here that did flash about 10 hours ago, which is usually, you can see here, a prelude to bearish momentum. And you can see a couple candles, we started falling. So again, if that's what's to start here, it's hard to say, but usually this does forecast a bearish trend. So we're gonna have to see, and then again, waiting on this red dot to see if it does play out. So last but not least, go and look at some Tradingview indicators here. So for the daily, you can see oscillators are at a neutral, summaries at a sell, moving averages are at a strong sell. 4 hours, it's a buy, sell, sell. Hourly, it's a neutral, buy, and buy. And then 15 minutes, neutral, sell, sell. And then 5 minutes are all sells, but the 1 minute oscillators are a buy with a sell and a strong sell. So you can see a lot of confusing indicators right now. The short-term time frame looks to be about 50-50 on sells and buys. So again, really could go either way right now. I mentioned it's a very pivotal moment, but if we do stay above 85.20, I'm maintaining my bullish buys here and think we could continue to the upside. So with that, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, and please subscribe if you haven't. Really appreciate all my subscribers and viewers. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.